Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Web 3.0. You've probably heard the term buzzing around in tech circles, but what exactly does it mean and why you should care? Let's break it down. To understand Web 3.0, let's take a quick look back. In the beginning, we had Web 1.0, also called the static web. This was the early internet of the 1990s. Think of basic websites where you could read information but couldn't interact much. It was like a giant digital library. Then came Web 2.0, also known as the social web. This is the internet we use today. Dynamic, interactive, and dominated by platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. It gave us user-generated content, social media, and the ability to connect like never before. But here's a catch. In Web 2.0, control is heavily centralized. Big tech companies own and manage most of the platforms, storing vast amounts of user data. This has led to concerns about privacy, censorship, and data monopolies. And that's what brings us to Web 3.0. Also called the decentralized web. It's the next evolution of the internet, where power shifts from corporations back to individuals. Let me explain. Web 3.0 is built on three key principles: decentralization, blockchain technology, and user empowerment. Here's how it works. First up, decentralization. Instead of relying on central servers, Web 3.0 uses blockchain, a distributed ledger technology where data is stored across a network of nodes. This makes it secure, transparent, and harder to manipulate. Next, blockchain enables features like cryptocurrencies and smart contracts. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum allow for secure peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements written directly into the code. Together, they power decentralized applications or DApps. These DApps are game changers. They are not owned by any single company, which means users have greater control over their data and assets. Imagine a version of YouTube where creators earn directly from viewers, or a Facebook alternative where you own your own personal information. Web 3.0 also integrates other emerging technologies like AI and Semantic Web. AI helps interpret and organize massive amounts of data, while the Semantic Web ensures that machines and humans can interact more effectively. Think of it in this way. Web 3.0 is like giving an internet a brain. It understands context better, making your online experience more personalized and intuitive. Now, Web 3.0 isn't without challenges. It's still in the early stages, and there are hurdles like scalability, regulatory concerns, and technical complexity. Plus, not everyone is ready to embrace decentralization just yet. But its potential is huge. Web 3.0 could redefine industries, empower individuals, and create a more open, fair internet. And so there you have it, a glimpse into the future of internet with Web 3.0. What do you think? Are you excited about the decentralized revolution, or do you have concerns? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inputs.